Today, we're diving deep into the realm of money secrets. That can revolutionize the way you approach your finances. This money secret will turn your financial game upside down. 1. Create your own luck. Let's kick things off with a lesson I've learned over time: creating your own luck. Take Thomas Edison, who faced countless failures before inventing the electric light bulb. Warren Buffett, too, understood the importance of persistence, gaining significant returns from just a handful of investments. By taking consistent steps and embracing failures, you might just stumble upon that one game-changing idea or opportunity that propels you to success. Number 2, don't live below your means. Now let's challenge the traditional notion of living below your means. Rather than sacrificing your desires, why not focus on increasing your income? This perspective, inspired by Robert Kiyosaki, he encourages us to shift our mindset from cutting costs to earning more. After all, your time and energy are valuable assets that can be better spent on ventures that lead to financial growth. 3. Understand money rules. Understanding the rules of the money game is crucial. Many find money matters complex, but the truth is, it's intentionally made to seem that way. Remember, those who benefit from your lack of knowledge are the ones complicating the game. So, let's commit to learning the rules and playing the game to our advantage. 4. Think big. Thinking big isn't just a cliche, it's a powerful tool for success. Setting ambitious goals pushes you beyond your comfort zone, opening doors to possibilities you might not have considered. Think of visionaries like Elon Musk and Steve Jobs. Big dreams inspire big actions, leading to significant results. Don't wait for success to think big. Start with ambitious goals, and your actions will follow suit. 5. What's the worst that can happen? Ever find yourself overwhelmed by financial concerns? Dale Carnegie's advice comes in handy. Ask yourself, what's the worst that can happen? Confronting these worries helps you realize that often our imagined worst-case scenarios are more manageable than we think. By shifting your focus to solutions, you can tackle challenges with a clear mind and steady resolve. 6. Money is a game. Money is often considered a touchy subject, but successful individuals see it as neither good nor bad. It's a game we all must play. Growing up, my family rarely discussed money, creating a mindset that hindered financial success. To win the money game, understand the rules, play strategically. It's not about an equal start, it's about smart play. 7. The sunk cost fallacy. How often do we cling to something simply because we've invested time, effort, or money? Many persist in unfulfilling jobs or relationships due to past investments. But breaking away from this fallacy is crucial for long-term happiness and success. 8. Get rich young. Ditch the traditional advice of saving for decades to amass wealth. Explore the idea of getting rich young, as presented in M.J. DeMarco's book, The Millionaire Fast Lane. It's not about overnight riches, but achieving financial freedom at a younger age through endeavors like starting a successful business. It's not about the time it takes. It's about the freedom and opportunities early wealth brings. 9. Spending, saving, and investing. Money allows us 3 choices: spend, save, or invest. While there's no one-size-fits-all strategy, overspending and oversaving can be pitfalls. View money as a tool and understand that the value of your savings diminishes over time due to inflation. Strive for a balance that aligns with your unique situation and goals to build lasting wealth. 10. Buy assets. Distinguish between assets and liabilities. Assets generate income, while liabilities drain your resources. The path to financial success involves prioritizing financial education, discipline, and a keen eye for buying income through generating assets. Key is not just to accumulate wealth, but to do it wisely. From creating your own luck to buying assets strategically, these proven mind-blowing money secrets are the keys to unlocking financial success. We hope these insights have inspired you to approach your finances with a fresh perspective. Subscribe to us for more financial knowledge. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. There's a wealth of information out there. Make use of it. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. See you in the next video. Take care.